guys, there we have a Tecno Camon 18P, and today I will show you how you can enable incognito mode on the 4 most popular web browsers in the Play Store. So we start from the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just have to open the web browser and just click here on this 3-dot icon or arrow icon sometimes. Now just open the new Incognito tab and that's it. The next, it's a Firefox. In the Firefox, it's a simple way. Just use that zero mask. How you can see, now we are in the incognito mode. Now it's time for Opera. In the Opera, just open the taskbar icon and switch it to the private. Now just add a bookmark. Tab. And the last one, Microsoft Edge. The same way like in Opera, just open the taskbar icon and go to the in private. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.